3, 2, 1. Why do we do that?
Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It is time for
Wind Up Wednesday.
We're in sync because it is our first one back in person.
Look at this, eh?
Yeah, I'm so excited to be, not over Zoom. I'm sick of Zoom, I'm not gonna lie. So very happy to be back in person. Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. We're back in school, doing lessons, doing mentoring in the office, so it's all good. Socially distant, of course, but
wire to
as you
measure.
can see the wire there,
Yeah.
2 meters.
Yeah, professional, high tech, I like it. So this is our first one back in person, but it is also going to be our last one for 2 weeks. We'll be back after the Easter holidays. We're just going to go out with a bang or a crack. You'll see why I said that. Chris, what are we doing?
We're going to play egg roulette. Basically, how this is going to work is we have on the table in front of us, we have 6 eggs. 4 of them are just normal eggs and 2 of them are Cadbury's cream eggs. We're going to roll the dice and whatever number that lands on will determine which egg we get. Will we get egg on our face or egg in our mouth? Egg roulette, let's go. Egg on my food. I mean, Saffron won that. She technically got a cream egg in her mouth and I just got egg on my face. Not happy, but have a good Easter, guys.